Celebrating the beauty of hijab, sharing gorgeous pics of hijab girls. The beauty found in hijab styles is a tapestry of cultural richness and individual flair. It's a canvas where tradition meets modernity, reflecting diverse backgrounds, beliefs, and personal expressions. From the intricately wrapped Turkish styles to the flowing elegance of the Pakistani dupatta, each hijab encapsulates a unique story. The selection of fabrics, colors, and draping techniques unveils a spectrum of creativity and cultural significance. It's not just about the aesthetic appeal. The hijab embodies confidence, modesty, and a deep connection to heritage. Its beauty lies not only in the external elegance but in the internal strength and conviction it represents for many wearers. Sharing images of hijab styles isn't merely showcasing fashion, it's a celebration of identity and diversity. It's about honoring the choice and autonomy of individuals to express themselves authentically within their cultural and religious framework. By appreciating and understanding the artistry behind these diverse hijab styles, we foster inclusivity and respect for the multiplicity of beauty in our world.